Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super glad because we are back here in Century Communities, and they have thousands of builder incentives. There are available lots for sale that has already been permitted, and also they are giving about $30,000 discount, so check out the description down below. Also, before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video to the people you might know might be interested in this kind of home. Again guys, don't forget to check out the channel page for more home tours, and if you wanted to check out the other model home of Century Communities, I've already toured that as well here at the Cantaro 2 in the masterplan community of Skye Canyon here in the northwest part of Las Vegas. Okay guys, I am super excited. Let's do this. Let's tour this home together. Right guys, this is the community here, and this is the gate there. And there are two lots available here also, which has already permit. So this is the available lot. Aside from lot number 50, there is an available lot as well here. It's approximately $589,000 or $590,000, including some $68,000 option. And this is the house here, the model home. So all of the information are in the description guys, so please check out the description if you wanted to check the pricing for the different lots that are available. These are the 2-car garage there, and this is a nice one because you have a patio cover here even before entering the house. And this is residence 2857. Let's check it out. All right, so this is a very wide opening here guys. So once you enter the house, you have this very wide opening and really nice floor here. That is the stairs going to the second floor. They have this nice wall paneling there. This is a wide opening here. You have a half bathroom here. Very convenient on the right side of the house upon entering it. So welcome to your kitchen, living room area. So this is a very open one. Right? You have your dining area here, you have a living room there, And then you have the kitchen here. Let's check out your living room area here. Really nice linear fireplace. You can definitely upgrade into this. They use this white wall paneling. I'm going to expand it slowly so you can see how it feels. And this is, I believe, an office. Let's check it out, right? You have an office here, very elegant office. Again, this cabinetry here is upgraded. Really nice wallpaper here. Okay. And, highly suggested, if you wanted the door here, you can probably put a door here so that you can close it if you want when doing your Zoom. And let's check out the kitchen. So the kitchen, highly recommended if you can put like a waterfall edge here. You have this very nice vent hood. It will suck up the moist. They use this quartz here under cabinet lighting. Okay. And that is your oven there. This is your refrigerator. And there is another area here. It's an extended area leading to your very spacious, right? This is a very spacious pantry. Okay, really nice. Since we're already here, let's check out the backyard here. Okay, welcome to your backyard. You can probably put like a small swimming pool here, right? Very small. But again, like the lot premiums here are not too expensive. It's like $10,000 for the ones that I've seen so far. So the lot premiums are not too expensive here. Really beautiful weather here in Las Vegas. Very sunny, and then also you have the cold breeze of the wind. So that's really interesting. Almost feel like I'm in California right now. This is how it looks like at the back of this model home. This model home will be available maybe like after 1 year, they said, so it's not yet available right now. But once this model home is available, I'm definitely gonna let you know, guys. Okay, let's check out. You have a coat closet here. Right. This is again your main living area. Very spacious. You have double window there. Okay. This is a nice one because you have a window here, brings so much natural light. Okay, let's check out what's happening on the second floor here. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is a very spacious loft area, guys. Very, very spacious. It doesn't justify in the video, but once you go here, this is a very spacious loft area. And then there's so much light because of those windows. Okay, let's go to the left first. Let's see what's happening on this side. Ooh, nice. This is a very spacious secondary bedroom. Again, we're talking about 2,857 square feet here. That's why they're generous on the space for the secondary bedroom. That's the standard closet there. Okay, let's check out. So many bedrooms. Oh, nice. You have a double deck for your kids. And this is a walk-in closet. Definitely needed, right? If there are two people who's gonna sleep here, they needed a very spacious walk-in closet like that. So that's nice. Hello, guys. Okay, let's check out the shared bathroom here. Double sink with 2.25 quarts. Hello, guys. And you have your, I believe this is standard shower there. It's good that they were able to put like a linen closet here. And then that's your toilet. This is a nice configuration because you have this door there. And then if someone else is using the bath, the shower, the other person can do their sink situation there. Very efficient. Okay, so far so good. We have 2 bedrooms we've seen so far and 1 full bathroom. This is another secondary bedroom. So this one is also spacious. And lots of windows. Very standard closet there. Okay. Again, for lot number 50, guys, which is one of the lots that were already permitted, they are selling it for $589,900. Please see the description, and then they said they can give a $30,000 discount. Ooh, very spacious laundry area. Okay, and they use this nice flooring here. This is very spacious. You can see there are cabinets already, and then they have that sink there. Wow. First time I'm seeing a linen closet inside the laundry area. It makes sense, right? Because after you do your laundry, you can put your linen there or your towels. You know what is nice about this configuration is that this loft area is separating the secondary bedroom on that side from your main primary bedroom here. Really nice. This is a very spacious primary bedroom. Right? You can put your seating arrangement there, and then you can install your TV there. These 2 huge windows bring so much natural light inside. You have a view of the mountain there. Okay. This is really very spacious. Okay, let's check out what's happening here. Wow. Double sink, right? And then you have another one here. Hello, guys. And then, okay, so they designed this one. You know what I would recommend is a rain shower there so that you have no problem if the person that's going to use this is tall. So rain shower is not that expensive to install, guys, so highly recommended. And this is your toilet area or water closet. Okay, we're entering your laundry. This is, wow, this is huge. Okay, so this is a very huge walk-in closet, guys. And they've upgraded this with this shelving here. This is very long. I'm actually walking to here, right? Very, very spacious. If you want, you can put like cabinetry here with LED lighting. This is gonna make a lot of impact because there is space for it. This is your drawer, soft closing, amazing. Okay, So far so good. There is this tiling there. Again guys, for this model home, it's about 150K upgrade, but those are including furniture, they said. So there is no real estimate of how much was upgraded, but they gave me an idea that it's about 150,000 upgrade, including the furniture. Okay. Let me know guys, what do you think of this home, right? Really nice home, very spacious.